In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the YouTube Nonstop extension in Brave for uninterrupted YouTube playback. First, open the Brave browser. In the address bar at the top, type Chrome//extensions/ and press Enter. This opens Brave's extensions page. Look for a switch called Allow Extensions from Other Stores. If you see it, make sure it's turned on. This lets Brave install extensions from the Chrome Web Store. If you don't see that option or you prefer a simpler path, just type Chrome Web Store into the address bar and open the official store from the search results. Brave is compatible with the Chrome Web Store, so you'll be able to add extensions from there. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar in the top left and type YouTube Nonstop. You should see an extension result with a simple icon, often a white circle with a play symbol inside a black square. That's the one you want. Take a moment to confirm you've got the correct extension by checking the name matches exactly and glancing at the rating and number of users. This helps avoid lookalike listings. Click the YouTube Nonstop result to open its page, then click the button that says Add to Brave. In some cases, the button may say Add to Chrome, which is normal on the Chrome Web Store and works the same way in Brave. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to add the extension. Click Add Extension. Brave will download and install it in the background. You'll see a brief notification when it's done, and the extension will be enabled automatically. You don't need to change any settings for it to start working. From here, you can enjoy YouTube without the continue watching interruption. The extension runs quietly in the background and dismisses that prompt, which normally appears when YouTube detects inactivity during long videos, playlists, or music sessions. If you're testing it, open YouTube, start a playlist, and let it run. If you ever find it isn't working on a particular tab, try refreshing the page. You can also open Chrome//extensions to confirm YouTube Nonstop is toggled on. Keeping Brave up to date also helps ensure extensions work smoothly. That's all you need. With YouTube Nonstop installed and enabled, your videos should keep playing without those pause prompts, so you can focus on watching, listening, or working without constant interruptions.